Floods in Metro Manila have subsided following the incessant rains overnight. However, the rains may not be over for long. According to Pag-asa, the Weather Bureau says we may have rains in Metro Manila and western sections of Luzon all week. Micah Razon is on the phone for more. Go ahead, Micah.
This morning, the heavy rains brought by the southwest monsoon or habagat have already subsided. However, according to the MMDA, they remain on standby. The agency said that the flooding reported across Metro Manila this morning has already subsided. But in case the rains intensify again, personnel have been deployed in 17 local government units to assist the clearing and cleaning drainage systems if needed. So far, the MMDA has not reported or monitored any flooding along Metro Manila's national highways. They are also continuing to monitor the Marikina River. Back to you, Mai.
Micah, kamusta naman yung mga pumping stations? Gumagana ba lahat?
Although according to the MMDA, all of their pumping stations are working, nagkakaroon lang ng konting aberya sa mga basura na naiipon dito. Na sabi nila ay agad naman daw nalilinis. Sabi rin ni MMDA Chairman Don Artes ay meron na silang karagdagang mobile pumps para sa baha. Pakinggan natin ang kanyang pakala.
Micah, may plano ba ang MMDA dahil ang sabi nga ng Pag-asa, baka buong linggo maulan pa rin dito sa Metro Manila?
Sabi ni MMDA Chairman Don Artes kanina sa meeting nila sa Malacanang, meron na silang mga mobile pumps na dinadeploy. Sa katunayan nga ay meron na silang na-deploy sa Marikina at isa sa Manila at maglalagay daw sila sa Magallanes.
Maraming salamat, Micah Razon reporting.